Today I'll teach you how you guys can find your recently added friends on Snapchat, which means who are the people which you have added, like the latest people you have added. That is basically what recently added means. For that, you can click on the person with a plus icon at the top right corner of your screen, and it's going to take you to your add friends section. From over here, you can add the people. But we don't want to add them. So what we want to do is at the top right, you can see the three dot. Click on the three dot and click on recently added by me. Once you do that, all of your recently added friend is going to be shown. Which means the latest person I added is Abhinav, and before that it was Shin, before that it was Badal, before that it was Vaibhav. Just like this, you can go down the list to see like who was the person you just added at like the first. So for me, it was my friend Suyog. That was the first person I've added. And after that, it was this, and it goes up and up. So the top person is a recently added friend, alright? So that's how you guys can find your recently added friend on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide, for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.